It is really overwhelming.
Okay, it is 4:20, and we are eating food. I know this is my unboxing channel, but sometimes, and by sometimes I mean a lot of times, I eat, and as you know, it's usually while I'm unboxing something. I don't have anything to unbox today because shipping is a thing. So I have bought some things, but they're very much en route. So for now, here's just mukbang. I'm eating, let's see, katsu, pork cutlets. Over here, there's the egg. Heather made the egg. Heather, this is YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
And my 8 subscribers. And we have that, but we also have Popeye's chicken sandwiches. So what do we eat first? What's the order?
I think we did the chicken sandwich. Oh.
Right? So they've been resting in their little microwaves.
Yep.
And,
That's a tough one.
We've been having edibles all day. We got edibles and we came home and ate them within the first 12 minutes. One of each flavor. We had a lot of flavors.
So what do we got here?
Minutes of being here. This is a regular chicken sandwich.
Are you
It's denoted
sure?
by the mayo.
Is that mayo or is that hot sauce?
That is mayo. There's no hot sauce. This,
Okay.
I think the spicy chicken. So I'm going to take a bite and then Heather's going to have it.
I'm going to have it.
What's more of a bite? It's not bad. Okay, would have gotten without the mayo, actually. Which is spicy.
That's what I'm saying. I think this is spicy.
Oh, fuck, you're right. Wow, okay. I get it now. Popeye's is different. Okay. So in order for it to be spicy. Oh, that's why you're like, I'm eating mayonnaise no matter what. Okay. But I've not customized this. It was a regular chicken sandwich from Popeyes. I've got mayo and pickle, which I like, personally. But I'm not really going to eat the most of it. She will.
Oh, I will. Yeah. Alright.
It's good, though.
Oh,
Very
yeah.
good. I've had a chicken sandwich at Chick-fil-A. It was also good. It's just because their sauce is really good.
Alright, how is that one?
It's not spicy. It's the same thing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright, then I'll hold on that.
Everything's the same. So, this is the pork and made with caramelized onions and egg. And we have a cooking anime on in the background, which we're half watching. We will pay attention to once I run out of time on the YouTube video. I'm only allowed 5 minutes, as you know. My videos are only 5 minutes long. Or less. I cut myself off from the last unboxing video at 5-minute mark. So basically it doesn't really end. The spoiler is that it does take me longer than 2 or 3 minutes to put on both lashes. But I was only 45 seconds away from finishing it. So I feel like 4 minutes is a pretty quick amount of time to put lashes on.
Absolutely.
I have the Doe Lashes Morning Dew. I'm not a sponsor or ambassador or anything for them. I just like their lashes. Oh yeah, the rice is hard down here.
Yeah, how is the rice?
It's so good.
Right?
Oh wait, no, I haven't tried the rice yet. But yeah, it's good.
Huh.
It's rice. The onions are great. I would say the pork is pretty good. I just cooked it. Oh, that was actually no. It was good. It's the right amount of.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cut through. Yeah. That about wraps it up.
I think we need to get one of those meat hammers.
Oh yeah, tenderizer.
Definitely.
But me punching the pork was effective. And with that, we'll be signing off because that's 4.5 minute mark. We'll be finishing these delicious meals. Goodbye.
Have a good one.